Let's do one more round of practice. And this is just to kind of keep our skills sharp and to work on some problems, the likes of which you might see on the test or the quiz. So how do we solve log base 3 of 25 minus x squared equals 2? Well, remember, 3 raised to the 2 power equals our expression. So 3 raised to the 2 power equals our expression. So this is going to be 9 equals 25 minus x squared. So this is going to be, we'll move the x squared over here. So x squared, and we'll move the 9 to the other side. 25 minus 9 is 16. Minus 16 equals 0. Right? So we know it's x plus 4. X minus 4 is how it factors. So our x values, our roots of this quadratic equation are 4 and negative 4. Okay, how about this one? How would we solve this? Well, we can't do much when we have two separate expressions involving logs, so we're going to have to combine them. We have to combine these two guys. And the way we do that is we use, since it's subtraction, we'll use our quotient rule. We know that we divide one by the other. So log base 2, log base 2 of x plus 1 divided by 2 minus x equals 3. Okay? And again, we say 2 raised to the 3 power equals the expression. 2 raised to the 3 power equals x plus 1 over 2 minus x. So how do we solve that? That's 8. 8 equals x plus 1 over 2 minus x. So we multiply both sides by 8, and we have 8 times 2 minus x equals x plus 1. So 16 minus 8x equals x plus 1. Subtract the x. So now let's go ahead and combine. Let's combine stuff to the right side. So we're going to have 0 equals, bear with me here, we're going to add the 8x. So that's going to be 9x on the right. We're going to subtract the 16, so that's going to be negative 15 over here on the right. So now what we finally have as our root is, for solving this equation, is x equals 15 divided by 9. Okay? Last one over here. How do we do this? Well, we've got logs on both sides of the equation. So what I would do is get them both on the same side, condense them to a single log, and then solve it. So we know that we can make this log x go away. So we can say log, let's add the log x minus 21. So this is going to be log x plus log x minus 21 equals 2. You see that? I just moved this log over to the other side by adding it to both sides. Okay? And now what we can do is combine these two with our product rule. Log of x times x minus 21 equals 2. Log of x squared minus 21x equals 2. I'll put these in parentheses. So now we know this is, again, we don't write the log. We haven't written it here, but we know it's an implied log base 10. So we say log base 10 to the second equals this expression. So 10 squared equals x squared minus 21x. So this is 100 equals x squared minus 21x. The 0 equals x squared minus 21x minus 100. And so can we factor that? Probably not. I think we'd have to shove that into our quadratic equation. I will leave that as an exercise for you guys to find out what the factors are.